The future of President Trump's tariffs, at the center of his economic agenda, is now in the hands of the Supreme Court in a case Trump says is literally life or death for our country. President Trump is turning to a 1977 law called the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, or IEEPA, to claim he has the power to impose tariffs unilaterally, even though IEEPA does not mention tariffs, and the Constitution says this power belongs to Congress. By declaring the fentanyl crisis and trade deficits emergencies, the Trump administration argues because IEEPA says the president can regulate importations, that includes tariffs, something no president has done before.
We don't contend that what's being exercised here is the power to tax. It's the power to regulate foreign commerce. These are regulatory tariffs. They are not revenue-raising tariffs.
The liberal and some conservative justices skeptical of the administration's claim that their tariffs are not taxes.
And you want to say tariffs are not taxes, but that's exactly what they are. They're generating money from American citizens.
The vehicle is imposition of taxes on Americans, and that has always been the core power of Congress.
It's the argument of the small businesses and Democratic states suing to undo the tariffs.
It comes down to common sense. It's simply implausible that in enacting IEEPA, Congress handed the president the power to overhaul the entire tariff system and the American economy in the process.
Justices Neil Gorsuch and Brett Kavanaugh, Trump appointees, challenging the argument that IEEPA does not leave the door open for tariffs.
And the statute says by means of licenses or otherwise.
Right.
Regulate.
It's only a means, and we looked at the history.
Yeah, it's a means.
Yeah.
Why isn't tariffs a permissible means on the statute?
Why would a rational Congress say, yeah, we're going to give the president the power to shut down trade, but can't do a 1% tariff?
The court put this case on an expedited track, so we may get a ruling in as soon as a month or two. In Washington, I'm Atra Al-Nashar.